The Beijing China-Germany Economic and Technological Cooperation Demonstration Zone has attracted more than 100 German enterprises, reaching an annual industrial scale of 40 billion yuan, according to a forum held in Beijing. The China-Germany Hidden Champions Forum 2024 concluded in Beijing on Tuesday, having witnessed a trend of collaborative development between Sino-German hidden champions and innovative clusters of small and medium-sized enterprises. Hidden champions refer to highly successful yet lesser-known SMEs that are global leaders in terms of market share in their respective niches. Germany now boasts about 500 hidden champions.
You just have to see that we have around about 500 hidden champions in Germany. And of course, really no hidden champion can afford not to be in the Chinese market. They have to invest in China, they have to cooperate with Chinese companies, otherwise they have no chance to stay hidden champions or world market leaders. And this is the expectation. So most of the German and of the European companies are very much interested in the Chinese market. The one is that it is an enormous big market, of course, and another one is we all know that the Chinese companies have become very, very innovative. They are very good partners for European and German companies, and of course we think that there will be a chance to get a win-win situation.
The export industry out of Germany has been very strong. So as a next step, companies try to invest in other territories such as China and evaluate their decision. So I think it's very good that Chinese government and authorities promote business in China and welcoming companies from all over the world to invest in China. This is also my idea of a future, to have a stronger footprint in China.
中德合作，这从国家改革开放几十年以来，是一个经济合作的一种国际上西方大国跟中国合作的典范，覆盖了全领域。那么到了最近的这个10年左右的时间的话，就是希望更多的这个中小企业能够跟中国开展合作。德国中小家族企业、冠军企业，他们对华合作的诉求高，愿望强。所以我们北京啊，国家重视把这里作为中德经济合作的一个特区，一个工业的一个专区，这个是非常好的。我们认为就可以谈很多深一步支持服务落地的一些工作。
With a total investment of 5 billion euros, the Beijing China-Germany Economic and Technological Cooperation Demonstration Zone is seen as a crucial gateway for Sino-German cooperation in Beijing.